So Camarena Health brings its mission to life every day through its operations and really every aspect that we do day to day, because really our mission is to create a healthier community, it's to provide access to our patients, and so the work that our staff do at every level of the organization is always working towards to make that goal happen and to really deliver on that mission through their work every day.
I would describe Camarena Health as definitely the place where you want to work. If you're someone that cares about your community, if you are passionate about patient care, if you want to make a difference in the community, then Camarena Health is definitely the place where you want to be.
Camarena Health has given me a really unique experience here. I know that everyone on our leadership team is here for us, here for the patients, and that's what it's all about.
At Camarena Health, one of the goals that we have is to make sure we have a very engaged workforce. Part of that involves making sure our staff is receiving the training and the certifications they need to do the job. We've had medical assistants who have become PAs. We had outreach staff coordinators who have become physician's assistants. So we really do enjoy promoting from within because it does create an engaged workforce and also creates longevity in our workforce as well.
I've been with the organization for 18 years. I started off as a temp in medical records. I transitioned to appointments. From there, I became an appointment lead. The organization continued to support me, and they promoted me to become a corporate trainer. And then I was also promoted to be the role that I'm in now as a workforce development manager. And all throughout the way, there were mentors, there were teammates, there were supervisors, there were leads, and I'm incredibly grateful just for that environment of support that the organization fosters among their employees.
In my 6-7 years here, I've seen Camarena grow from 6 to now 20 plus sites. And there isn't a time when I don't see Camarena Health posted about, talked about, even on social media in the community. I feel like Camarena is always something that's talked about in Madera.
You know, we're a small community, so I would say we're all connected somehow.
My mom worked here for over 30 plus years. So a lot of the people that I've seen, you know, they've seen me grow up from when I was a baby up until my adult years. So I kind of feel like they're not just people that I've known, they're like family. They've been there for me for the ups and the downs, you know. We're not just a clinic, we're family to one another.
I was living in Florida, and I actually miss living in Madera. I love the small town community feeling it gave me, and so I chose to come back. I just couldn't stay away.
So I feel like I benefited a lot because I grew up in this area. It was always a passion of mine to go into serving the underserved. And with Camarena Health being here, I was able to go into one of the hometown scholar programs in a different state. But I always knew I wanted to come back. I wanted to practice in this area. I wanted to provide for the people that I grew up around. So with that program, I specifically benefited because I was able to come back here. I was able to do my rotations here and then eventually work in this area. So that was huge for me.
So I moved here from Phoenix. In Phoenix, great city to live, but there wasn't a whole lot that was close to it. Being here in the Madera area, we are very close to Yosemite. We're very close to the coast, just a couple hours away. And so anytime I get to go to one of those locations, it's a short day trip away, and we love doing it.
We're just so close to the mountain community. We're super close to the beach, and within a couple of hours, you can pretty much be anywhere you want to be, and you can always make it back home when you need to.
I actually got engaged a few months ago, and it ended up being a little day trip to Panther Beach, which is a nice little area, and it was such a quick little trip, and we were able to come back that same night. I have 4 dogs, so I can't leave them unattended for too long.
I'm so proud to be a part of the organization. I'm so grateful for the opportunities that I've been provided, and I just don't want to be anywhere else.
We're a diverse group. We've been able to grow over the last 40 plus years. You know, we're not just a clinic, we're trying to be a family, a friend. You know, at times you need that when you come into a doctor's office. So I feel like over the last 40 years, Camarena has been able to embody that at our facilities.
I feel like they give you so much opportunity. They let you have an experience that I don't think anywhere else you can experience. And I feel like you can always go up the ladder here.
We are a leading provider of primary care here in this county and here in our service area. And so, if someone's looking for an opportunity where they can have a very rewarding career and something that they can go home every day feeling good about the positive impact that they made that day at work, I think Camarena Health is the perfect place for them.